We as human beings sabotage our own joy and happiness because we want to focus on being safe. How many of you don't like change? Raise your hand. Okay, got it. Because you want to be safe. How many of you love change? How many of you one time were getting divorced, didn't love change, and now you're dating the person you're supposed to be with, and you love change? Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Right? So my invitation to you is in the next half hour, I invite you to try on some ideas that are not yours. I know it's crazy. Like, how many of you have opinions? Good. How many of you have opinions and you know your opinions are right? Now, have you ever met another human being with different opinions? And they have the audacity and the nerve to think that they're right. And you know what? It's so silly because being right and being wrong is one of the worst mechanisms that exists in the human mind that never helps. We fight wars over my Bible's right, your Bible's wrong. My philosophy's right, your philosophy's wrong. Why is it so important? I'll tell you why. Because we're our own drug dealers. And the second that we are right about something in our minds, we release endorphins, we release dopamine, we release oxycontin, no, that's sorry, it's legal harm. We release oxytocin, and we release serotonin. Watch, I'll show you. Ready? Answer this math problem. Now you're laughing because your voice is already talking to you, making up stories about what it is, etc. Ready? 2 plus 2.
4.
Good job. So now some of you are happy. Give it a second. You'll sabotage your own happiness. Your voice will tell you something like, that was too easy, you should have known that, stop being happy. And then you take away your joy and your happiness.